Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to delete existing contact from Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. So we want to delete a contact from our phone book. How to do it? We need to go to our phone book first. Here are our contacts, the list of our contacts. So let's delete one of our existing one. For example, let's delete John. We tap a contact we want to delete. Now, on the right side here, under the More options, we have three little dots. If we tap this little button, there is a hidden menu here. So we simply choose Delete, a little pop-up, move this contact to the trash, yes please, and now our contact is gone from our phone book. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. And see you in the next video. Goodbye.